threaten mimi ati utanifanya nini? Bora usiue watoto wangu, lakini mimi na wewe tafadhali tuheshimiane.
Mierio negecokera umuthi ndikiario ni munini wa Ruto Rigathi wa Gachagua.
I asked President William Ruto, my brother, I helped you to be president. Leave me alone. Leave my children alone. Do whatever you want, but let me live. Let me look after my children.
Ona gutuika President Ruto ndari aretikira gutumoka kiugona kimwe iguru rigie mutaratara wa kuhagura munini wake riu akoneka kunyuitheria Rigathi kaihorio takaria ananyuira gagukirirwo ni thirikari riu guikara gwake ta munini wa president ari undu uikarire TDA.
We used to go to church together, and as a Christian I believed a fellow Christian that he would never betray me or my people. For the last 1 year it's been very difficult for me.
Kiuria kinene hari aya eri metanire merura gutari mutetio na umwe urahota kurigicura kigacwa kia haria bugi aterire muria gatagataini kao indigite giki gikonania gukorwa rigite kia ndiro gikirehithiria agiikariri njukiriria hiyo. Riu kiuria kiria gitari kiragia nanja ni uria giturwa giki kiriikaragirwo hatari kurehithiria bururi ndogamano ta iria gikoretwo kirehithirie niguo kugiririria ndogamano ta ici cia kiuteti mahinda kwa mahinda. Hadini ya Kameme TV retorako ni Bataro wa Mwagi.
Na thutha wa riboti iyo ya Bataru wa Mwangi tugicokia makinya na thutha riu reke gutware thiini wa igoti inene kuria mwena wa milimani kuria mwandiki witu Njoroge wa Kimani arugamite cemba niguo tutaririe hi niki giatuma mwena wa munini wa president ukorwo kirehe maundu megimaine na kuamurwo kwa ndudu ino ya acirithania atatu ni munini wa mucirithania munene. Njoroge agikoni uranyamukira tutaririe hihi niki giacungiriria maya mothe kuhanika o nginya cikaro ici gutwarwo nginyagia thaa 8.
Egio muno mwona wa ndungu na otoguo wauga kwa ihinda riri cikaro cia igoti ni ciamba kurugamio nginyagia thaa 8 cia miaraho hindi iria acirithania mekorwo magicokereria undu umwe na mawakiri a miena yeri niguo kuruta mwerekera wa kiuria kiria gikorwo gikirutwo ni mwena wa petitioners ari ni hamwe na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua na nikiuria gia kana ndudu ya acirithania ya atatu uria ikarite umuthi kana ni ubitwo uria kwagiriire na ni thutha wa kwirikana kana kumenyeka ati ndudu ino ikarite giikaro kia umuthi thutha wa gukorwo ibangitwo ni munini wa mucirithania munene na magakiuga kana mwena wa petitioners makauga matire na uma ati munini wa mucirithania munene gigatibari no hoti wa kumba ndudu teno na eno no gutwarithia na mbere marwa marandikitwo muthenya wa ina ni mawakiri a Rigathi Kamutho and Jomo advocate makiuga ati ni marekwira kihoto kiao kihoto gukorwo gikihinywo kana gikinyanyaswo na ni thutha wa gwirikana ati itua ria giikaro kia umuthi ria kinyanirio muthenya wa Juma ona uria umuthi guku igoti-ini mawakiri ake ni makorwo makiuga gatiba njeru ya mwaka wa 2010 nditikiritie acirithania guikara thi kana guikara igomano cia muthenya wa Juma kana nja wa mathaa ma wira atangikorwo hihi ni cira rathie na mbere no ti cira wa kwambirio no makauga mwerekera uria waheanirwo muthenya wa Juma wa giikaro giki undu ungi marauga ni ati hari na macira mangi maria mahanditwo igoti-ini mbere na maratanyitwo gugathikiririo tariki 24 makoria niki gitumi macira matatu maria mari igoti-ini muthenya wa umuthi makugeria kweheria watho uria werutirwo ni igoti wa kugiria kwihitithio kwa Professor Kithure Kindiki kuoya ithenya ria Rigathi Gachagua ta munini wa president mweru niki kiratumire monomo matengeririo magikuwa hihi mwena wa thirikari ni urendererwo guku igoti-ini na okahidini okau nake wakiri wa president William Ruto Dagitari Kamutho ni akorwo akiuga na petition ye gukorwo agitemania na ni akuga igoti riri ritire no hoti wa guthikiriria cira uria uriho na cira uyu wagirie guthamirio igoti-ini ria Supreme Court. Hari no undu ungi naguo wakorwo kigwetwo ni mawakiri ya Rigathi mauga thegia wa gukorwo mena nganja na cira uyu na acirithania aria marathikiriria cira uyu muthenya wa umuthi wona itua ria kinyanirio gugituika hihi ati ni maikarite thi uria kwagiriire na DCJ Mwiru ari no hoti wa kumba ndudu ino ni mekorwo kiuria mucirithania tutuika ni umwe kana ni eri kana ni yothe meyeheria guthikiriria cira uyu no mani maundu maria tugukorwo tugieterera no naguo mwena wa thirikari ni wakorwo kiuga mawakiri kana mawakiri ya Rigathi kiria mareka ni kugeria gukururia cira uyu magoti-ini niguo ndugathie na mbere makiuga maundu maria mothe mararehwo magire gukorwo magirehwo na mutaratara uria wagathikitwo ni ruhonge rwa igoti, na nikio acirithania makiuga maheana ihinda ria ithaa rimwe nginyagia thaa 8 mutaratara uria acirithania mawakiri Rigathi mari naguo makorwo mawikira wa kuga ati marona ta igoti rirenderera mwena umwe, na kana hihi mucirithania munini wa mucirithania munene ari no hoti wa kumba ndundu ino uria yagirire na macio megukorwo magituo thaa 8. No hihi thina uria umenite kana undu uria uragomera cira uyu ni ati ciehe fairo yaumire mwena igoti-ini ria Kirinyaga yatuirwo ni Justice Mwongo iria yakorirwe kiuga ati cira fairo uyu ukenengeranwo kuri Chief Justice Martha Koome niguo athondeke ndundu, no nake Chief Justice Martha Koome ndari kuo, na koguo fairo ino yakorire DCJ Mwiru na niwe wameneanire kuri ndundu ino ya cirithania iria yombitwo hau kabere niguo guthikiriria macira maya, na nitugugieterera gukiona hihi miena yeri kurehe mateta mariku wona cira wacokereria thaa 8, na cira uyu gutanyitwo guka umuthi kwaririria kana hihi watho uria warutirwo ni igoti wa kurugamia Professor Kithure Kindiki kwihitithio kana ni gukorwo kieherio niguo akorwo akihitithio. Maya mothe mwiroreri tugukorwo tugikunengereria wona thiine wa mohoro maitu maria mekurumirira, no kwa ihinda riri agikorwo nduri na kiuria Mwaura wa Ndung'u no gucokeria mwaro kuriwe
gwitikiria uthii na mbere gutuika maitho na matu maitu mwena ucio wa igoti, na taguo Njoroge wa Kimani akorwo agitariria ati hari mumwe wa maria tugukorwo tugitaukwo wona ikireka ria thaa 8 riambiriria ni kana hari na cira ugukorwo wikirirwo conservatory orders, na kana ndundu ino ya acirithania ni yombirwo gigatiba ni munini wa mucirithania munene Philomena Mwilu. Tugithie na mbere riboti-ini ingi ni ati thirikari kuhitukira ruhonge rwa wandikithia wa andu ni irikitie gucaba ibande njeru cia Maisha Card milioni 1.8 rwa ibande ici ikihuthika thutha wa guthengio kaimana kwa ibande cia hau kabere. Ona kuri uguo Akenya makiria ya 500 matigana kuongania ibande ici riu makiurio kana gucigira wabici-ini cia wandikithia wa andu kuria ningi thirikari iraneire kurikagiriria ucabithia wa ibande na thiko 10 tu. Reke tuthikirie riboti ino.
At least there's no scientific evidence. You know, we have in this project of identity, we have sometimes a lot of opposition from interested parties. I don't know whether honorable members you saw through the chair, you saw a clip that was going around on the internet that with now Maisha number we are putting chips on newborns, on children. Those are lies. People wanted, and we're talking about something Bill Gates want to bring one. Those were all lies to bring down this project. And it has been done 4 times, honorable members. That is why we are seeking your support on this project. Because out there are so many stories, oh, you want to bring... In fact, when I had a meeting with the religious leaders, they told me, you are bringing 666 to us. Well, I told them this mention. But you see, those are myths, which are not true. I told them I'm an Anglican, I go to church. How can I actually be the one? In fact, the advantage is that my bishop was there and he was able to defend me. And there is no way I can bring the number of the last days at the 666. Similarly, this thing of saying people will not give back because of this, I think it's not true. It's a way of really trying to discourage Kenyans from the after of this. So, honorable members, that is not true. This card is introduced to meet international and for security reasons, and it has nothing to do with controlling births or ensuring that some people don't get children. Honorable Timothy asked me about Huduma number. Honorable Chair, if we recall, because I'm sure that time, Honorable Chair, you were in Parliament, that time you were in Parliament. Huduma project failed in the floor of Parliament. MPs could not pass a law to implement, and it had that time period. And it became very difficult for the State Department to take over that project, to continue that project, because there was no law created for Huduma. So we had a very serious problem. Secondly, the technology that Huduma used was a 2019 technology, which by the time we came to office in 2023, the team felt that the technology was already getting obsolete. We needed a more robust new technology. We also changed our strategy. In Huduma, they said, everybody come to one place, we want to register you afresh. But we said, in this new project, We want to be incremental. We want to go slowly. We want to go with Kenyans slowly by slowly, encouraging them. Those who are turning 18, we give them. Those who are losing their cards, we give them slowly by slowly. We don't want to go do away where we tell everybody, today from this month to this month, you'll be registering yourselves. That is one of the things which made Huduma fail. The other thing, Huduma also was not anchored in the right. Remember, Huduma was configured not as a security project, but as an ICT project. That was also one challenge because the entire machinery for identity is with NRP. But this thing was done in ICTs, which was a bit of a mismatch in terms of resources and in terms of where it should be anchored. Because there was no law actually. You had to start a new law. Because Cap 149 creating NRP is, or Cap 107 creating NRP is in the Ministry of Interior. But we have gone to ICT to start a new law that is going to guide IT. So there were a few structural issues that made Huduma fail. Under that, we have been able to take over some of the residues or some of the salvaged equipment, including printers, from Huduma. And we have also been able to get some of the expertise of the people who are handling Huduma to help us actually. And we have learned a lot from the lessons from Huduma. That's how we have been able to move forward. Honorable Member for Igembe North, thank you very much.
Chair. Now, yes. Now that you admit that Huduma failed, this country lost 10 billion Kenyans. What have you done? Because Kenyans lost 10 billion. Are you admitting that, because I say that governments exist in perpetuity? Chair.
Order. First of all, the principle of relevance. Our standing orders are very clear that what we discuss is of relevance to the issues we discuss. I know your issue is very weighty. Could we allow the peers to prosecute the issue of student IDs, the current IDs facing the people, and then you raise substantially your issue? So kindly peers note, and then you shall actually answer that when in due course.
Chair, as long as you assure me that you will not gag me.
No, I'm not gagging you. I'm just giving direction because of time. We still have about 10 minutes.
Very well, okay.
Proceed, please.
Okay, thank you very much, Honorable Chair. I wanted to appreciate Honorable Member for Igembe North for complimenting the work we have done to ensure that there is efficiency in issuance of IDs and passports. Thank you very much, Honorable Member. They are no longer accused. We are actually now asking Kenyans, come for them, come for them. And like before, where they were making noise and attacking us on these documents. Honorable Jendi, on the issue of payment, let me make it very clear that new applicants for IDs are required to pay 300 shillings. Replacements of IDs are required to pay 1,000 shillings when you are replacing. But fresh applications are 300. The cost of one ID, to produce one ID, is 600. So the government is subsidizing up to 50% of the ID. So I think it was a bit an issue, but we'll be trying.
Ministry ni ya marema kana ya interior thini wa ruhonge rwa uthamiri na marema na motungata kuri muingi Julius Bitok agitariria mutaratara wa Maisha Card. Na tugithie na mbere mutongoria wa Reige bunge-ini Kimani wa Icung'wa eteteire mutaratara mwero wa utungata wa ugima wa mwiri wa SHIF akiuria akenya meyandikithie kwa uigi mubango-ini uyu. Akiaria gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Rabai kaunti-ini ya Kilifi, Icung'wa ateterithitie ati mubango uyu uri na uguni munene kuri akenya na kuhuthia maundu na motungata ma urigitani ukiringithania na mutaratara wa NHIF. Oho neteteire mubango wa marihi maiganaine akiuga mogaruruku maria matafaneirie mubango-ini uyu kiwatho ni marumbuitie uheani wa motungata maiganaine. Icung'wa ni athingatite akenya matianirie andu aria maraheana riboti tari nginyaniru ciigie mubango uyu.
Matibabu yako ukienda kwa hospitali kupewa huduma ile Social Health Insurance Fund kupitia kwa fund ambayo inaitwa Chronic Critical and Emergency Fund. Itakutibu saratani, ikutibu kisukari, ikutibu emergency kama ajali bila malipo yoyote. Kubali kupotoshwa na zile siasa duni, siasa ambazo ni za uchochezi. Tujisajili kwa Social Health Insurance Fund ili tupate huduma za afya.
Tuko na national school, alafu walimu, wanafunzi wanaingia vumbi wakienda Ribe Boys. Ni aibu si aibu? Wajua shule yake local. Ile Alliance watoto wametaka kwenda shule yake ya kijijini kule kwao. Ile Kambe secondary tuko nayo hapa ndio hiyo ya kwao ya Alliance. Barabara iwekwe lami siwekwe. Barabara ya Kambe Ribe kutoka Ribe High School paka Pangani iwekwe lami siwekwe.
Kuma Rabai County ya Kirifi ajitekeria turehe birushiga naona ni gushokereria na magi maigi.
Karibuni. Hii ndio bed ya the best local entertainment.
Sitakubali ukalie kiti cha umiliki katika kampuni ya mume wangu.
Tell me where my money is and I'll make this quick and painless.
You don't know what they do to girls like you.
I think it's a bit unfair. Nakujua vizuri sana. Na najua mdosi wangu vizuri sana. Hauwezi akakuandika kazi.